Hey guys, nowadays Canva is not a simple website but a complete system that makes your life easier to make money online. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can earn from Canva in different 8 ways. So now let's get started. And the first way for sure, that is print on demand, to make different designs about t-shirts or different merchandise, like for a sticker and something like that. And for sure you can do that simply and easily on canva.com just by going to done for you and ready designs here. If you go to this one in this template section and look for something like t-shirt, therefore you can find here a bunch of these designs about trending topics and in different niches, as you see. And luckily here you can find designs in different languages, like for Arabic, English, Spanish, Portuguese, and so on, as you see. So for example here, if you pick one of these beautiful designs like this one for pizza, here it's time now to customize this template. Therefore, it's time now to customize your design as you want, to make it more unique, more branded for you as you like. And for sure you can change these fonts from this option. You can change this graphic to another on the library of Canva as you want. But all in all, here on Canva you can create your t-shirt designs simply and fast. Therefore you can download it here from this option. And it's better for you to download these designs using transparent background option, or it's up to you to create your designs from scratch. So the first way here, you can create your designs and your merchandise using canva.com and sell them on different marketplaces like on Redbubble, Etsy, Merch by Amazon, and so on. And the next way to make money online from Canva for sure is selling digital products. For sure, here on Canva you can find a wide range of possibilities to sell your digital items, either for printable ones or for non-printable or social media templates, for example. Here for printable you can look for anything like checklist, planners, calendars, books, book covers, YouTube thumbnails, and so on. And here you can find a variety of different ideas to create your digital products. And for sure I just typed here checklist, and here you can find thousands of these done for you templates to make your checklist in different niches in different fields, as you observe. Or for example here you can type something else like for planners, calendars, YouTube thumbnails, posters, flyers, brochures, and so on. Or even here you can find the sheet option here, that MyMX, that you can do on Excel sheet or CSV file or Google Sheets. So therefore you can find a bunch of these beautiful done for you designs from this option that contains lead tracker, checklist, project chart, content request, event timeline, and so on and so forth. This you can actually use for your project personally, or you can actually sell them as digital products as well as printable one. And for sure you can sell all these digital items in different platforms. In the first place, for example, Etsy.com. Here you can find huge amounts of these sellers that provide this amazing one that is for Canva template, for example here. Here generally they provide their designs of Canva templates on Etsy.com or on Creative Fabrica and so on. For sure I just leave down below in the description box a big list of the most important and the most popular free websites to sell your digital products in. Or you can for sure go more specific for a specific area of digital products, like you can actually provide a design of YouTube thumbnails or a bundle of planners, calendars, and so on. Okay, so the second way here, you can actually sell your digital items using the power of canva.com. The third method here, you can provide your skills on designing on Canva as a gig on freelancing platforms. And for sure here you can head over to one of these beautiful ones like fiverr.com, and if you type something like Canva in the search bar, here you can find 10,000 of these freelancers who provide their skills on the table, like for a CV desk, the Canva templates for your social media post, Canva editable ones. You can make here YouTube thumbnails, social media posts and so on and so forth, and for sure they all doing well, as you see. So here you can provide your gig on freelancing platforms, Fiverr, Upwork, or even LinkedIn if you stand out there. And the next website here, you can actually make your own social media posts and social media videos, or even your YouTube video using for sure Canva.com. So if you are working on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, you need for sure outstanding posts or videos. Therefore, you gotta use Canva.com to create your own posts, or you can use these stunning done for you templates, as you observe, with different themes, with different types, to make your ads, to make your promotion, to make your offers and the like. Or you can make your videos for different platforms and different dimensions, and not to mention the mobile dimensions, but also here you can make your own video for YouTube and so forth, just by uploading here your voiceover if you want, your audio and the music background if you like from the library, and so on. And the next way to make money online on Canva.com is by making presentations, as you can do on PowerPoint or Google Slides. Here on Canva, for sure, you can find huge amounts of these done for you presentations of different slides that make it easier for you to create your PowerPoint presentation or your lecture, to make it in your work, or you can convert that later to a video as you like. And the next way to make money online from Canva, here you can create your own website or your landing page. It's one of the best ways here to leverage the power of Canva.com, just by making your own website without any hosting plan, without purchasing any domain. Here you can create your website just with a click of a button. Here you can choose from a variety of different websites, different themes, different topics as you like, and therefore you can run your own website with your own details, like just you can drag and drop your profile picture, your data, or even better, you can promote your products, whether they are digital products or affiliate products, on your website as you see. And the next way here, that is, you gotta use what says link in bio, that contains different products or different links in one place. Therefore, Canva provides you these amazing templates to use, as you will see. So it makes you more present and get more links and clicks from your audience on social media. And the next way here, you can actually join its affiliate program or this ambassador on Canva. And to do that, just you've got to build a dedicated account on YouTube or social media to talk about Canva in different aspects. Tutorials, how to use Canva, how to provide different keywords, how to tweak something like that. And just you can make your own account token just only about Canva. Therefore, you can provide to this program to promote Canva.com as an affiliate and get your commissions like a pro. And for sure, there are different ways here you can use Canva.com in the side of selling your digital products, but on a higher level, just by making what's so-called a bundle or toolkit. Therefore, here you can, for sure, you can make a business toolkit that contains different brochures, flyers, business card, and so on, to make it a bundle and provide them in your freelancing platform or in Etsy.com or any other digital product platform. For example, this one, as you see, like if you want to go through the wedding niche, here you can provide a wedding stationery kit that contains a save to date, wedding invitation, seating chart, and so on, as you see. Therefore, you can gather different templates in one pocket and sell them as a beautiful bundle for the audience and the customers. You got to know different ways to earn money from Canva. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.